Hello everyone, welcome back in mathematics class by Pupinder Singh. I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss a last topic of chapter coordinate geometry. In previous exercise, points were given and we have to find their coordinates. Now in this exercise, coordinates are given, we have to plot the points in the Cartesian plane. Example is given. Locate the points. Some coordinates are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have to locate these points in the Cartesian plane. To locate the point in a Cartesian plane, our first step is we have to check where this given coordinate is lying. As we know, there are the four quadrants 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first step is we have to see in which the given coordinate is lying. As we discussed in previous exercise, in first quadrant both the x and y are positive. In second quadrant x is negative and y is positive. In third both are negative, and in fourth x is positive and y is negative. So from these we can check it where these given coordinates are lying from the values of x and y. First coordinate is given 5, 0 is given. Both the values of x and y are positive. So in which quadrant it is lying? Yes, it is lying in the first quadrant. Similarly, second is also both positive, both positive, both positive. So first four are lying in the first quadrant. Next is a minus 3, 5. Now x value is negative and y value is positive. So in which quadrant it is lying? Yes, it is lying in the second quadrant. Next is a minus 3, minus 5. Both x and y are negative. In which quadrant it is? Yes, it is in third quadrant. Similarly, we can check all the coordinates where these are lying. Now we have to plot these coordinates in the Cartesian plane. First point is given 5, 0. So first point is 5, 0. So value of x is 5. Where the value of x? We know this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Value of x is positive, so it is on the right side of the region. Now where is the 5? Yes, here is the value of x is 5 on this point. Second is the 0. Value of y is 0. Where is the value of y is 0? Yes, on the x-axis the value of y is 0. So where this point is lying? This point is lying on this point. So this is a point. You can give its name A. Then in bracket write its coordinate 5, 0. This is a way to show the coordinates in the Cartesian plane. Take any other point, like I am taking minus 3, 5. Now we have to locate this point in the Cartesian plane. Our point is minus 3, 5. Now value of x is minus 3 and value of y is 5. Now first locate the point x minus 3. X is negative, so it is on the left side. Here is a x minus 3. This is a point x value minus 3. Second, y is the 5. It is positive, so it is lying upper side of the region. These are the values of x and y. Now x is negative, y is positive. In which quadrant it is lying? Yes, it is lying in the second quadrant. So from these 2 points, draw the perpendiculars in the second quadrant. First we draw the perpendicular from a 3, then we draw the perpendicular from a 5, where these both perpendiculars intersect each other. That is the given point -3 comma 5. You can give any name to this point, like I'm taking it is a D. You can take any alphabet. This is the way to show the coordinates in the Cartesian plane. On the next page, answer of that example is given. All the points they locate in the Cartesian plane. Here one important note is given. In the above example, you can see 5,0 and 0,5 are not at the same position. 5,0 is lying here and 0,5 is lying here. This we already discussed in a previous exercise, that in Cartesian plane x comma y is not equals to y comma x. So if we interchange the coordinates of x and y, their positions are also changed. Now next example. Plot the following ordered pair of numbers x and y in the Cartesian plane. Use the scale. You have to use the scale of this plane. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. 2 centimeter 2 units, 3 centimeter 3 units on the axis, on both axes, x-axis and y-axis. Here values of x and y are given. They are not given it is in the form of x comma y. They are given in the form of pair. So this is the first pair, that is a -3 comma 7. X value is -3, y value is 7. So first point we have to locate is -3 7. Second point is 0 comma -3.5. Third point is -1 -3. Fourth point 4 comma 4. Fifth point is 2 comma -3. So these 5 coordinates we have to locate in the Cartesian plane. First coordinate is the -3 comma 7. So we have to locate this coordinate in the Cartesian plane. We will follow the same pattern we had discussed in the previous example. X value is -3 and the y value is +7. So it is lying in the second quadrant. So we will locate this point in the Cartesian plane. Answer of this question is given on the next page. This is a point -3 comma 7 and other points are they located. Now we will discuss a last exercise 3.3. First question is, in which quadrant or on which axis? Either it is lying in any quadrant or it is lying on the axis, x-axis or y-axis. You have to find it. Points are given. First point is -2 comma 4. X value is given negative, y value is given positive. In which quadrant it is lying? Yes, it is lying in the second quadrant. Next part is 3 comma -1. X value is positive, y value is negative. So in which quadrant it is lying? Yes, it is lying in the fourth quadrant. Third is a -1 comma 0. X value is negative, y value is 0. it is lying in any quadrant or it is lying on the axis. If any one of them, either x or y, any value is given 0, then it is lying on the axis. If x value is 0, then it is lying on the y axis. If y value is 0, then it is lying on the x axis. Now x value is given -1, y value is given 0, y is 0, so it is lying on the x axis. Next point is 1, 2. Both the x and y are positive, so it is lying in the first quadrant. Last point is the -3, -5. Both are negative, so both are negative in the third quadrant. So we have to write in which quadrant or on which axis it is lying. Now verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. First we have to write in which quadrant or axis it is lying. Then you have to verify your answer by plotting a Cartesian plane. So make a Cartesian plane, show these coordinates on the Cartesian plane and check your answers. Question number 2. Plot the point xy. Plot this point given in the following table on the plane. On the Cartesian plane you have plot these points choosing suitable units of the distance on the axis. Now you can take any scale of the units. You can take 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, or if you want to take 2 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, that is also correct. Take scale of your choice and plot these points on the Cartesian plane. Do this question by own. This question is same as the example number 4. Now our chapter is completed. If you face any problem while solving the questions, you can share your queries in the comment section below. Thank you. Have a nice day.